Hello students, I am Umesh Mishra, math teacher of LPM Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Dear students, as you know in the previous video, I have already discussed about the topic linear equation, which is related to the age, number, and fraction, which is used in our daily life. Today I will also solve linear equation related to the perimeter of any object. In reference of those questions, first question is, question number 1 is, a rectangle has a perimeter. Question number 1. Question number 1. A rectangle has a perimeter. A rectangle has a perimeter of 96 centimeter. Perimeter of 96 centimeter. Its length is twice its breadth. Its length is twice its breadth. Twice its breadth. Find its dimension. Find its dimension. Find its dimensions. In the given question, we have given that a rectangle has a perimeter of 96 centimeter. It means in given question we have to given perimeter of rectangle 96 centimeter, and its length is twice its breadth. Length is twice its breadth. So first of all, we suppose that breadth be x centimeter. Solution: let breadth of rectangle equal x centimeter. Let breadth of rectangle be x centimeter. Now length is twice its breadth. Therefore length of rectangle. Therefore length of rectangle equal twice its breadth. Then it will be 2. Breadth is x centimeter. Therefore 2 into x equal 2x centimeter. Now perimeter of rectangle. Therefore perimeter of rectangle equal, we know formula for finding perimeter of rectangle is 2 length plus breadth, 2 bracket length plus breadth. So we have to put value of length. Value of length is 2x. Therefore it will be 2x plus value of b equal x. Therefore 2x plus x. It will be 2 into 3x equals 6x centimeter. Perimeter of rectangle equal 6x centimeter. But perimeter of rectangle given that 96 centimeter. But perimeter of rectangle equal 96 centimeter. So I will equate this perimeter of rectangle and this perimeter of rectangle. Therefore, it will be 6x equal 96. 6x equal 96 because this is also perimeter of rectangle and this is also perimeter of rectangle given. So both will be equal. 6x equal 96 centimeter. Therefore, x equal 96 by 6. When divide 96 by 6, we get 16. We get 16 because 16 6 are 96. Now, therefore, length of breadth equal. Therefore, length of breadth equal x equal 16 centimeter and length of rectangle length of breadth equal 16 centimeter and length of rectangle length of breadth of rectangle equal. Therefore, breadth of rectangle equal x equals 16 centimeter. Now length of rectangle is 2x centimeter, twice into breadth. Therefore, length of rectangle equal 2x equal 2 into 16 equal 32 centimeter. Now this is the length of rectangle and the breadth of the rectangle. Now I will solve another question related to the linear equation used in the perimeter. Next question. Next question is question number 2. The length of rectangle is rectangle is 14 centimeter more than its breadth. 14 centimeter more than its breadth. 14 centimeter more than its breadth. If the perimeter is 448 centimeter, find the dimension of the rectangle. Find the dimension of the rectangle. Find the dimensions of the rectangle. Now, solution of this question. In the given question, the length of rectangle is 14 centimeter more than its breadth. Breadth is unknown. So first of all, we suppose that breadth be x centimeter. Let us suppose that breadth equal x centimeter. So suppose that breadth equal x centimeter. Length of rectangle is 14 centimeter more than its breadth. Therefore, length of rectangle equal. Therefore, length of rectangle is 14 centimeter more than its breadth. Therefore, length of rectangle will be x plus 14 centimeter. X plus 14 centimeter. Now, perimeter of rectangle. Therefore, perimeter of rectangle equal to bracket length plus width, because formula of perimeter of rectangle equal to bracket L plus B, length plus width. Now I will put the value of length and breadth. Length of rectangle is x plus 14. Therefore, it will be 2x plus 14 plus value of breadth is x centimeter. Therefore, x plus 14 plus x equal to add x plus x. It will be 2x. Then it will be 2x plus 14 centimeter. But in the given question, perimeter of rectangle is 448 centimeter. But perimeter of rectangle equal 448 centimeter given. 448 centimeter given. Now, equating both perimeter. This is also perimeter of rectangle and this is also perimeter of rectangle. Therefore, equating both perimeter. Equating both perimeter of triangle. To bracket 2x plus 14 equal 448. To bracket 2x plus 14 equal 448. Now divide both sides by 2. Then it will be 2x plus 14 equal 448 divided by 2. Divide both sides by 2. Divide both sides by 2. Divide both sides by 2. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 2 ja 4, 2 4 ja 8. Then it will be it will be 2x equal transpose plus 14 from left hand side to right hand side. Then it will be 2x equal 224 minus 14, because plus 14 converted to the minus 14. Then it will be 2x equal, when you subtract 14 from 224 we get 210. Then it will be x equal 210 divided by 2. 2 1 ja 2, 2 5 ja 10, 105. What is x? X is the breadth of rectangle. Therefore, breadth of rectangle. Therefore, breadth of rectangle equal x equal 105 centimeter, and length of rectangle equal x plus 14 centimeter. Length of rectangle equal x plus 14 centimeter. Then it will be value of x equal 105 centimeter. Therefore, put value of x here, 105 plus 14 equal 119 centimeter. Therefore, length of rectangle equal 119 centimeter and breadth of rectangle equal x equal 105 centimeter. This is the dimension of the rectangle. Now, next question related to the perimeter of triangle. Question is, the side of triangle the sides of triangle taken in order are each 3 centimeter longer than the preceding sides. If the perimeter of a triangle, if the perimeter of triangle is 81 centimeter, find the length of its side. Find length of its sides. In the given question, you are given that the side of triangle taken in order are each 3 centimeter longer than the preceding side. Preceding side is unknown, so suppose that let preceding side be x. First side suppose that x. Second one is x plus 3, and third one is x plus 6. Because preceding side is 3 centimeter longer than its 3 centimeter longer. Each side is 3 centimeter longer than its preceding side. Now, perimeter of triangle. Perimeter of triangle equal x plus 3 plus x plus 6. X plus x plus x will be 3x plus 3 plus 6 equal 9. 3x plus 9 centimeter. But in the given question, perimeter of triangle is 81 centimeter. But perimeter equal 81 centimeter given. Therefore, 3x plus 9 equal 81. 3x plus 9 equal 81. Transpose plus 9 from left hand side to right hand side. Into 3x equal 81 minus 9. Then it will be 3x equal 72. 3x equals 72. Now Now x equal, therefore x equal 72 upon 3 will be 24, because you divide 72 by 3 you get 24. Therefore first side equal x equal 24 centimeter, second side equal x plus 3 equal 24 plus 3 equal 27 centimeter. Third side equal x plus 6 equal 24 plus 6 equal 30 centimeter. This is all about the side of the triangle. Now I hope that all these questions clear, and you can do all this type of question. So you can do all this type of question. Be positive and do all this type of question. Goodbye.